Utah Habitat's Birds and Plants Project is a multi-year project between the Ogden Nature Center and Weber State University.
In the year 2019, we actually got involved with the Arts Collaborative on a different project involving monarch butterflies, and we loved working with them so much that we really were looking for another opportunity to collaborate with them. The education building at the Ogden Nature Center is a wonderful building that offers a space for learning, workshops, and meetings, and the whole point of that building was to be eco-friendly. The intent was to create all of these really beautiful open windows that let in all of the light. What we didn't anticipate was how many birds would strike into the windows of those buildings.
Sometimes birds fly right into the window because they think that it's just another part of the outside. The art that you're making is going to help warn the birds that there's windows here.
We definitely saw a need to create something that would cover these windows so that the birds knew there was something there so that we could reduce these strikes.
We created a project back in 2020 where students design and create a faux stained glass that goes into the windows. The art installation that they put in was so successful that the Ogden Nature Center asked us to come back and create more faux stained glass pieces to help save more birds.
The objective of this project is to help take visual art and solve a community problem. We brought together these students at GreenWood Charter who create artwork based on birds and plants that are found in the habitats in Utah.
This fit beautifully into our learning model. We are an expeditionary learning school. We learn a lot through projects and through hands-on kinesthetic experiences.
The process of this project involves the students first learning about the habitats here in Utah, and they do that by going to the Ogden Nature Center.
Having this incredible opportunity to really see nature firsthand and get to do art as they see it, it opens their eyes really to see the beauty of the world around them.
The coolest thing I learned today was all the different birds and what their habitats are. I learned about new trees and stuff. The greatest thing we saw today is a bald eagle.
We saw the golden eagles and the raven.
The snakes. My favorite thing at the Nature Center was seeing all the glass and birds.
Are you excited to make one of those pieces?
Yeah.
After the students do their research, they take that information and they start to sketch out the birds and plants that they have been assigned. They look at the textures and the shapes and the colors that make up these birds and these plants.
They did a number of drawings and sketchbooks where they planned out kind of what their glass panel would look like.
We're doing the song sparrow right here, and we're doing our best to replicate the bird.
Once they had their design drawn bigger, then they went over those lines with the black glue. The purpose was to practice for the liquid leading. It's not the easiest to use if you've never used it before.
It's hard to squeeze out because my hands aren't that strong.
One of the other benefits from this project is just students learning grit and that it takes time to make something of worth sometimes.
What art does is it visually communicates to anybody who sees it. You look at it and you bring your own experiences, your own thoughts, your own beliefs, your own truths to interpret what you are looking at. And sometimes you're moved by it, and other times it makes you question. But the one thing that I love most about art is it gets you to think.
I think the arts offer us a way to explore complex ideas and emotions and to learn more about the world around us.
Collaboration is at the core of this project.
Creative Processes is a course at Weber State University where students explore arts-based instruction across the curriculum.
The students in the Creative Processes course, they undergo a similar process as the students at GreenWood Charter to create these faux stained glass nameplates that will hang with the final installation.
This class has changed my view in that I can bring the arts into all areas of the curriculum. It's been fabulous.
I've learned that it really helps students to come out of their shell, and it's helped me to come out of my shell, I think, too.
It was so nice to feel like I'm working with people who are supportive and ultimately helping these kids be successful.
I think this project is incredibly important for Ogden Nature Center, but also for the Ogden community at large.
The most rewarding part of this project is the fact that these students leave a little bit of themselves behind.
Nothing is more exciting than when a child owns a piece of art and they say, I made that panel. They own that learning experience and the legacy continues.
I would want to tell my students that art can be a powerful tool for change. This kind of project is doing that. Making better kids, making better teachers, and making a better world by teaching us to take care of it in a better way.